spot me first. She spot me first. Who is that, Tyler? Who is that? Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So we are at the airport. It's officially vacation.
Somebody's walking now, huh? Somebody's walking now. Tell her I like your airport style. You guys, so we are finally bored and we're waiting. No, we're finally checking and waiting to board our flight. But we have what, about 2 hours, 3 hours wait. Can you tell I'm tired? But it's good to check in early so we don't have to go to the hostel. But can I tell you how I'm enjoying this so far? The perks of having a baby. You don't have to wait in no line. You just go through like a VIP diploma like Donald Trump.
No. No, definitely not. I don't know why this name continue. No politics.
We go to every check-in point with Tyler, but it's so kind of weird because I don't know if it's because all the things that have been happening in the world recently, but the security is tight and they ask you so many questions. But don't you think that's a good thing, babe?
Yeah. When you have nothing to hide, it's just the more question or thing. At least if they do that to everybody, you say, okay, it's safe. If they do that to only one person, you just. But if they do that to everybody, you just say, okay, it's safe. You prefer, guys, I'm sure if they tell you like you have to take the plane, what do you prefer? You have to prefer to like a tunnel with 5 different security check, or you prefer to go to a tunnel without any security check? I'm sure everybody gonna say I prefer the 5 than 0. So it's just.
So there was a lot of question checking in, but nah, we don't mind the question, and we were early, so we went through easy breezy, and Tyler is enjoying the airport right now. Look at him. It's almost his lunchtime. It's been going good so far. He's not too whiny, so we're just here chilling, and it'll be his lunchtime in about 15-20 minutes, so I'm gonna feed him lunch. Thank God I was able to come through with his lunch and his snacks sealed, and his yogurt, they didn't trouble that, sealed, so that's a good thing. He's all set and ready to go. The only thing though, I'm gonna have to buy water to fill his water bottle because you know we couldn't come through with the liquid. So we're all checked in, and of course you know Melissa is hungry because Mel always walk with her belly, so I'm gonna have to get something to eat. But first we have to check at the decks because they told us when we were checking in that we have to go talk to somebody like an hour before our flight. So we're gonna have to check to the desk to see what that's all about. I think it's just security protocols, and then I'm going to find something to eat and just scoop around until we're ready to go.
So we'll catch you guys later.
So bye guys.
Bye.
This is vacation ready to start. Hello. Say hello. Tyler, look. Look. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi, guys. I'm on my first flight. Are you taking the plane for the first time? You're excited to go see Grandma? You excited to go see Grandma? Yes, honey. Alright, guys. We'll catch you guys later. You're sad. You're sad.
Yes, I am. Can't tell you I'm not.
She spot me first. She spot me first. Who is that, Tyler? Who is that? Who is that, Papa? The gamma. Hi you guys, so we have arrived in Texas at my mom's, and it was so excited to see mommy, and she finally got to hold Tyler, so that finally happened. And don't mind my crazy face on here because we are so tired and jet lagged from all that flying, 14 hours flight, but it was all worth it. The trip from Paris to Philadelphia was a bit bittersweet because then when we reached our connecting flight gate and I was about to call my mom, we realized that Babe lost his cell phone. I think we left it on the plane, but he lost his cell phone and I don't think we'll get it back. We tried to call the airline and all that good stuff, but no luck as of yet. And yeah, that's one sad part of the trip, but the trip must go on, and we'll make the best of it and we'll have fun. He lost his phone, but it's not the end of the world. He's just gonna have to get another one. The flight from Paris to Philadelphia was okay for Tyler until the last, let's say 45 minutes to 1 hour. While we were about to descend, he started crying. I think his ears was bothering him, and he wouldn't stop crying until that plane land. He wouldn't want his pacifier. He just wanted to stuck to me, and he cried and he cried. I felt so helpless, but it was over and the plane landed and he was fine. And then we had to catch our connecting flight, which was a little bit wait in customs to go through the checkpoints. We at least was in the line for like an hour more before we did our connecting flight. We didn't have to wait long for a connecting flight though, and we reached Houston on time, and then we saw mommy and all that, so that was good. So we're just here about to rest up and enjoy our vacation with mom and have a good time. Tyler has, I think he'll adjust to the time difference very well, 7 hours difference in comparison to home. But let's see how that will go. We're looking forward to spending a good time here, and yeah, we'll carry you guys along with us on all our little fun trips and all that. And hopefully you guys enjoy this travel vlog, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.